Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying model and power status. This matters because different cases have different internals. Once confirmed, power off paired devices and remove both AirPods. Now open the case and inspect the hinge and lightning port for debris. Use a toothpick to gently lift visible dirt. Make sure to avoid prying internal connectors. If hinge stiffness or port obstruction appears, prepare tools. Small Phillips screwdriver, 70% isopropyl, soft cloth, and a magnetic tray to hold screws. You now proceed to careful disassembly. First, remove visible hinge screws while recording which screw goes where. This prevents reassembly mistakes. Once loosened, lift the top shell slowly and feel for ribbon cables. Disconnect clips by lifting the latch, not pulling. Next, inspect battery and charging contacts. Use 70% isopropyl on a swab to clean corrosion or grime. Make sure to let parts air dry for several minutes. If you encounter stuck adhesive, warm gently with brief hairdryer bursts to soften it. You finish by reconnecting any ribbon cables and reseating the shells. Align edges before tightening screws to avoid cracking the plastic. Once reassembled, charge the case fully and test with one AirPod. Watch the LED and confirm charging current. If charging is inconsistent, reset the case and try a different lightning cable and power source. If symptoms persist, no LED overheating or no battery change, stop. Seek a professional repair or authorized service. One tip: a quick hardware reset often resolves firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.